Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve rest of the exercise of unit number 3. The name of the unit is Robinson Crusoe. We already done its comprehension part 1. So let's move toward the next part, that is answer the following question with reference to context. I lay down and slept again. The sun was high in the sky when I woke up. Question number 1 is where and when had Robinson Crusoe slept before? The answer of this question is he had slept the night in a tree. Next question is where was he asleep now? He was asleep near a stream. What did he decide to do on waking up? He decided to go back to the ship to get supplies for himself. The next morning, I walked along the shore and up a little hill. What had he done the previous morning? He had gone to the ship to get supplies for himself. What important facts did Crusoe discover when he got to the top of the hill? He discovered that he was alone on an island. What did he feel when he found out this fact? He felt that he was a prisoner on the island. Part B is working with words. Complete the following in your own words. Each sentence should not be about Robinson Crusoe on the island but about something quite different. Every day I bought newspaper. One day I set out to explore neighborhood. I collected a quantity of sugar and salt. I picked up the hen and went back home. I grew a number of crops because my family needed them. Suddenly, I saw the ship appearing on the horizon. Next question is use your dictionary to find out the meanings of the following. Hurricane, tornado. Hurricane is severe storm with heavy rains and very strong winds. Tornado is a rotating column of air that passes in a narrow path over the land. Next words are stalked and fort. Stalked is a tall fence or enclosure made of wooden posts driven into the ground side by side. And fort is a building or group of buildings with strong defenses, usually guarded by troops. Next words are mast, pole. Mast is a vertical spare that supports sails, ropes, or flags on a ship. Pole is a long, straight, strong piece of wood, metal, or other material. Iceland is a large area of land that is completely surrounded by water. Islet is a small island. Next words are resolved or solved. Resolved mean to come to a firm decision or cause somebody to come to a decision about something. And solve mean to find a way of dealing successfully with a problem. Next words are pistol and rifle. Pistol is a small short barreled gun designed to be held in one hand. Rifle is a gun with a long barrel that is fired from the shoulder.